Pagkahawak mo, tapo na boy. Angat, Angel!
Hey, Villaman! So good! Si Papa Cute! Papa Effort! Number 30, over again. So number 30, foul. Papa Cute is your first personal foul. First team foul. Same ball.
Ano tinder mo?
Nice one. Wala dyan eh.
Good for two by Kuya Jose.
Open mo masama.
Good for two by Villaman. Para kay Miguel.
Mamaya, papalit yun! Dapat nakaputi yun! Ulit! O, tama na! Mamaya ako tatawid.
Ay, naku. Sala-sala.
Mendez. Pasalubing ng exhibition team. Good for two. By number 29.
Uhoy! Saan ka dyan? Ayaw pa kasi
Good for two. By number 17.
Angat!
Lechong, ibok!
Jose, good for two. Number 29. Pasalubing ng good for two. Foul.
Ay, ano?
Number 0. It's your first personal foul, or first team foul.
Hindi ka pa hindi ako pwede.
Tingin lang agad. Salamat ka pa to. Hindi ako patigpigyan mo.
Ay, nahanap ka ni Mana.
Hindi nga tayo company ngayon.
Ay, ikaw. Hoy! Saan ka dyan? Baba!
Nung senior ka dyan.
Wala ko ba tayo mga mamaya?
Senior ka dyan. Dumili ka.
Sino?
Hello. Yung mga tao.
Pasok na, bata ni Carlo. Ano kaya? Makakashoot kaya? Hindi na si Likon. Tira, Likon!
Lincoln. Pass to Lens. Apatrens. Allows.
Tatapi yung tuhod eh.
To Villamer. Good for 2.
Tatapi yung tuhod idol eh. Kumayo din si Lelo ng karap. Tagal eh.
Ay, hinintay mo walang tayo.
Oo, sabi ko, bawat na agad eh. Baka budo.
Kala.
Basahin loob ng bahay niyo kagabi.
Ha?
Basahin loob ng bahay niyo.
Abayo, gawa
Good for 2
ni
by
Jojo.
Villamer.
Pasuray, nakakarin lang.
Walang yan.
Basahin. Pati yung speaker, pasok na natin sa loob. Pati yung cellphone ko.
Lasing na eh.
Ayan, yan. Doon sa bintana. Namamasok ka rin naman din.
God, kumain na.
Lens.
Ang
No
ina.
good.
Nalito,
Samson ko siya dahil.
Nalito. Alay, hindi ka confident.
Oh!
Oo, bata.
Itabi po ang bagets. Good for 2.
Ay ko.
Binding there.
Ay po.
Good for 2. Official score is 16-6 in favor of team Palmar North. Remaining time 2 minutes at 36.
Wala kayo doon.
Cafarete pass 2.
Ako pinasok. Sige, dapat doon ako na.
15 seconds to shoot. Kuya Puset.
Pinakaramdaman mo ng prosesya sa likod niya. Oh.
Bilis ka naman dyan. Ano ba? Pag-wait niya.
15 seconds to shoot.
Dadala na.
Same ball.
Nadali.
Tira pare kami. Ay na!
Dapat tinaksan nyo na natamaan yung nandun.
Marami doon sa taas. Hindi kayo na yan eh. Ano? Ito na!
Olivida.
Yan.
15 seconds to shoot.
Shot!
Ayun na.
Let's go!
No good.
Kinap. Inalaga si Kenneth.
Olivida, it's yours. First personal foul and second team foul.
Binabandali-taliin na nga. Shot!
Foul number 29. It's yours. First personal foul, second team foul. Good fortune.
Sunod to. Alam mo?
Good fortune by William. Nerona. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Olivida. 10 seconds to shoot. Nerona sa 3. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. Olvida. Foul. Number 0, it's your second personal foul. 13th foul. Well, 4-1 by Olvida. Remaining time, 15 seconds. Remaining time, 10 seconds. Good 4-2. It's your first personal foul. 1 point penalty. No good. Ika frente. Good forward. Good forward again. As well as kuya, number 18 is our first personal foul, first and foul. Magaling siya sa boses. Number 1, pasalitiya mo. Good. Traveling violation.
Nice rep! I love you! Tumawag ka naman. Ay, kita-kita mo na traveling eh. Nakatayo ka lang eh. Aba!
Good for 2.
Walang foul yan.
5-1.
Lagapak na eh. Pag yan di sa mga kalpatan dyan. Wala kayo.
Mendez, good for 3. Official score 21-17. Ika Ferrete. Foul. Comes ref number 18, Ezor. First personal foul,
Wala na,
17
nabalit
foul.
ng teno.
Narona, good for 2.
Nakashoot ka din.
Official score 23-19. Seven in the line. Number 0. Watch ball. Substitution.
Kailangan pala sasabihin.
Good for Tiberica Frente. Official score 24-23 in favor of team Valusia.
Magagay ko na gusto sabihin sa ito.
15 seconds to shoot.
Para mamimitin kita sa mga magkakamagina. At harap ko ito.
Just bump it up.
Hindi ko limito kahit lumayan.
Number 18. Rick Rimares. It's your third personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution.
Sa bagay ilan bang nasusunod sa iyong pangako. Init ka ba natin puso gusto ko magkano. Katapos pasikapin paglapitin ng manalo. Nakipagsiksikan pa sa gusto ng nagtao. Pwede bang ipagkatawad dito na sa palit susunod na kasarado kong balas.
Just foul. Number 1, it's your first personal foul, first to foul.
Susunod sila kasi
Seven, no good. Good for 2 by number 30. Number 0 to number 30. Good for 2. Official score 27-26 in favor of Team Palmer North. Remaining time to win is 43 seconds. Foul. This one's rep number 15 is your first personal foul, second team foul.
Not!
Good for 1. Official score deadlock 27. Out of bounds. Same ball. Good forward. Change favor official score 30-27. Colmar North. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Good for 2 by Rivares. Change favor official score 31-30. Foul. Foul is the next number. Nave, it's your first personal foul, avoiding 4 penalties. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds.
By the way,
Good for 2. Good for 2 by number 30. Remaining time 45 seconds.
Dagdag na naman siya, eh.
Good for 2. Change favor official score 34-33. Remaining time 25 seconds. Foul. As long as the next number. Buena. It's your first personal foul penalty. Remaining time 15 seconds. Good for 2. Remaining time 5 seconds. Out of bounds. Ika Fuerte, Castelliton. Bounce it up number. Number 39, number 29, it's your first personal foul, first team foul. Second personal foul, second team, first team foul by that.
Naman pa.
Yes!
Sige, tinayin nyo.
Number 8, 17, it's yours. 17, it's your first personal foul, first team foul. Number 29, 15 seconds to shoot still. 10 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds to. Ito!
Yes!
5 seconds to shoot.
7 naman.
24 shot clock violation.
Letter Music is jamming with Premium. Host the jamming with fans and share your favorite sounds with
Nico.
others without edits. You can also play your favorite albums in any country with unlimited stops and repeats.
Pasa lang. Oh! Take it!
Official score 37-36. favor of team. Bago sila, good fortune change favor. Still, 0-0.
Each song of the moment and during the game and unlimited beats. Get all the music, and audio ads, and
Out of
Spotify.
bounds.
Talk about it to learn more.
20 seconds to shoot.
Ako na.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Good fortune. Official score.
Anong YouTube channel niya?
38.37.
Terence yun? Terence.
Anong YouTube channel niya?
Substitution.
Kevin Durant.
Ha?
Terence Kevin.
Upload yung mamaya? Mamaya pa bukas.
Bukas na.
Consulto. Paserica Frente. Good fortune. Another Delta official score. Delta 40. 15 seconds to shoot.
Hindi man lakas eh.
15 seconds to shoot. Alvida. Alvida. 10 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Pass the video. Foul. Olivida, it's yours. Second personal foul. Second team foul, substitution. Remaining time 4 minutes. Three seconds violation. Number 30, good fortune. Good fortune. Official score 44-42. Team Calvary North. Nagaling violation sa sitwasyon. Ten seconds 15 seconds to shoot. Lost ball. Change favor official score 47-44 in favor of Team Bagong Sila. Remaining time 7 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. William Ford. Official score. I have a power more. Official score. Seconds to shoot. Efectivamente, não pode. Brenna, it's yours. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Good for one. Remaining time 1 minute and 19 seconds. To shoot. Official score 50-49. Remaining time 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Immediately, good for two. Change favor. Official score 51-50. Remaining time 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Meron na sa 3.
Doon mo na yung dalhin.
14-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Response to left number 6, Mendez. It's yours. First personal foul, first team foul. Good 4-2. Official score 55-50 in favor of Team Calgary North. Corona, no good. Good 4-2. Seconds to shoot. Foul. Response to that number 0. Guillermo, it's yours. Second personal foul, second team foul. Good 4-1. Nevares for the second throw. Foul number Verona, it's yours. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul. Response to that number 1, it's yours. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution. Good 4-2 by Consulta. Timeout Bagostina, official score. Good 4-3. Official score 58, 56. Good 4-2. Official score deadlock 58. 15 seconds to shoot. Last ball. Good 4-3 by Awek. Change 3 more. 61-58. In favor of Team Bagostina. Guillermo, Sagos, no goal. Ang galit mo babakita, alam mo Tilag mo Ten seconds to shoot. Because Fuente, good 4-2. po ba kayo? Mag-a-advance po kayo tatay out, ha? Kasi hindi pa namin ito consider. Ano po, makikusuhin na lang. Good for two. Official score, 63-60 in favor of team Bagong Sila.
Tama naman yung kip eh. Hindi, pinapasa mo dun.
Last ball.
Malaban.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Wait for two by Constantino. First shoot ko pala. Ang sabi ko sa dito. Grabe naman yun. Good for two. Official score 65-62. In favor of Team Bagong Sila. Rita Ferrente. 15 seconds to shoot to Lerono. Good for two by William. Official score 65-64. 1 point lead by Bagong Sila. 15 seconds to shoot.
Isa na nga lang tumira.
Ay, double! Ah!
Good for two. Change Victor. Official score 66-65 in favor of Team Colmar North. Remaining time 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Good for two. Change favor again. Number 15 passing it dead.
Second team foul.
Ayan. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for two. Official score 68-67.
Lupit. Shot.
Lerona. 15 seconds to shoot.
Lupit.
Good for two. James Bigor. Official score 70-68. In favor of Team Bagong Sila. Singball. 15 seconds to shoot. Gambling violation.
Nakasip ka rin.
Maribilla ng 8-4. Third personal foul, 1-4 penalty. Official score 73-68. In favor of Team Bagong Sila.
Wala yung ipapa ko
Lerona
siya.
for the water shot.
Ay!
Lerona. Pasok ang sito. Away. 15 seconds to shoot. Lerona.
Ulit!
Last minutes and 5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ito eh. Ay, naku naman.
Good work to Benny Villamin. Official score 73-17 in favor of team Bagong Silang.
Ulit.
Last 2 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Itong zone 0, number 7. It's your third personal foul penalty. Penalty. Good for one by Nerona. Nerona for the second throw. Good for one again. Official score 75. 50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2. And number 15. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Five. Number 15 is your second personal foul penalty. No good.
Parang Jayan! Parang Jayan! Parang Jayan!
Nerona, 15 seconds to shoot. Good for 2. Official score 75. Foul, number 29 is your third personal foul penalty. Last 51 seconds. Good for 1. Away for the second throw. Good for 2. Penalty. Last 30 seconds.
Sablay! Sabay! Sablay!
Last 25 seconds. 5. Surrender. Basta, balik ka lang meta. Good for 1. Last 15 seconds. Shoutout sa Buliting, Binibining Mayong Kaluhuran, Rubina, Padrikilan. Asa sa big pala yun? Good for 3. Last 5 seconds. In favor of team, para picture daw po sa both teams. Unang-una ang Calmar North.